Hey, this is Liz at Rain. I wanted to share a couple of tips that I recommend for hassle-free use of your new preservative-free Rain eye drops. You should have a swanky box like this one. Always be sure to read and follow all of the safety instructions on the back. And let's take out a pack of vials. We'll just open it up like this. Now, when instilling the eye drops from the single-dose vials, we recommend flipping the vial over and tapping it from the bottom like this. This will push all of the Rain to the top before you open it and make it easier to squeeze out. Now I'll take the top off and it's ready to create a steady flow with a very gentle squeeze. See how that works? No need to ever squeeze the bottom super hard or get into a wrestling match with it. My eyes are actually feeling a little dry right now, so I'm going to use some Rain. Whew. And it's that easy. I feel so much better already. And it comes with a cotton round, which I can't live without at this point. It makes it so much easier to just wipe off any extra. Now, if you need any assistance, feel free to email support@tryrain.com or call us anytime. We are here 7 days a week for you. Thank you again for choosing Rain to take back your eye comfort. Bye for now.